Hey and welcome to my OrangeSuite review. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Nico. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day, and in this channel, I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. In this video, I am gonna tell you everything you need to know about OrangeSuite software. What exactly it is, pricing, ODOs, and bonuses. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. And this is coming up. As most online marketers, we're probably paying each month or each year ridiculously high fees for multiple services that are subpar, slow, and that keep crashing. I'm talking about services like web hosting, HostGator; storage, Dropbox; video hosting, Vimeo, Wistia. Fact: these 4 products and services represent the biggest expenses for online marketers, and expensive fees are the #1 reason why many give up quickly or never even start. But OrangeSuite puts an end to it. So basically, let's have a look at what this software is. What is OrangeSuite? OrangeSuite is the first ever all-in-one automated platform, makes limitless cloud hosting, file storage, video hosting, and instant reality, all for an unbeatable one-time price. OrangeSuite has all the important services you need. Reliable web hosting for your websites, solid and secure cloud hosting for your important files and documents, and lightning-fast video hosting, all in one service with no monthly payments. So basically, here we are on the sale page. Top marketers are quickly moving away from HostGator, Vimeo, and Google Drive to this. Get unlimited hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage for one low price. No endless monthly fees, and make money at the same time. OrangeSuite replaces your web host, Dropbox, and Vimeo/Wistia, while paying you with our included commercial license. Here are some features of OrangeSuite software. Store and deliver any type of file, video, PDF, images, docs, audios, zips, anything. Deliver files at lightning speed with fast CDN. Back up and store unlimited files. No limits. Unlimited viral traffic and leads from file sharing pages. Use for personal and business. 24/7 support and knowledge base. Unlimited viral traffic and leads from file sharing pages. All the applications you'll ever need. WordPress, commerce, more, all in one click. Host all your videos in one spot. High-speed video embeds for any website or web page. Website hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage for one low price. And you make money at the same time. Stop paying each month for website hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage, and start making money. Finally, start making money from your website hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage. No other website hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage accounts actually pay you. But Mingle does. Commercial license included, so you can profit from offering Mingle to friends, family, clients, and businesses. First 100 buyers get a premium agency website to make selling and profiting from Mingle quicker and easier. Grab OrangeSuite now and save $97 today, only one-time $14. Hurry, act now. Link in the description below. There's simply no comparison. Orange Host gives you everything you need in a web hosting solution. Blazing fast Lightspeed web servers so your websites always load at top speed, keeping your visitors and Google happy. Unlimited hosting so you can run as many websites as you want. Unlimited domains so you never have to worry again about adding another domain. SSL encryption so your buyers' important information is protected when they buy from you. Unlimited bandwidth so you never have to worry about websites going down in that last week of a busy month. Will it really be that easy to move my websites to Orange Host? I'm nervous about downtime or loss. Here is how it works in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Get access to the user-friendly all-in-one hosting solution. Step 2. Pick the service you need: video hosting, file storage, web hosting, etc. Step 2. start, host, upload and share with full control over privacy at the same time. Fast action bonus. First 100 buyers get a premium agency website worth $997 to make selling and profiting from OrangeSuite quicker and easier. Grab OrangeSuite now and save $97 today, only one-time $14. Hurry, act now. OrangeSuite Video gives you everything you need in video storage and delivery. Newbie friendly, so you don't have to be Video Einstein to succeed. Host unlimited videos so you're always able to post that brand new video. Add free videos so you can skyrocket engagement and keep the eyeballs on you. SEO friendly with embedded keywords and key phrases to bring in targeted viewers. Playlists and channels to build long-term followers for even more viral potential. Unlimited audience for no limits on your potential success. 20,000 plus stock media assets to make new video creation an instant. Unlimited views so you'll never have your videos locked due to popularity. OrangeSuite replaces your monthly subscriptions with a low one-time payment with no compromises. Unlimited web hostings, goodbye expensive web host. Unlimited storage for all your files equals goodbye expensive cloud host. Unlimited video hosting and delivery, goodbye expensive video host. Our commercial license, you make money and get the last laugh. That's right, you can finally stand up to these lying services and tell them no more fear and high monthly profits off my back. Massive time-sensitive action taker bonus. Here are the bonuses you will get for free when you buy it today. OrangeSuite bonus. 1. Get full access to an entire back catalog of over $10,000 worth of 3 done-for-you money-making affiliate campaigns. OrangeSuite bonus. 2. New viral traffic hacking software $497 value. OrangeSuite bonus. 3. Commercial Plus reseller license to VidCrafty. Value $497. OrangeSuite bonus. 4. Google/Bing email extractor. Extract email and phones from Bing and Google search to and pitch your services or sell products worth $1,997. One-time special launch bonuses. Special bonus 1. Traffic Mate Cloud app worth $997. Special bonus 2. Full unrestricted access to our brand new custom-made video chat web app worth $497. Special bonus 3. Full unrestricted access to our brand new YouTube Analytics bundle of tools worth $499. Here's everything you're getting in OrangeSuite. Mingle Host. Unlimited website hosting. Saves $497/year. Mingle Drive. Unlimited file and video storage. Saves $497/year. Mingle Video. Unlimited video hosting. Saves $397/year. Commercial license. Make money from Mingle worth $997. Fast action bonus. First 100 buyers get premium agency website, $497 value. OrangeSuite is the first ever all-in-one automated platform, makes limitless cloud hosting, file storage, video hosting an instant reality, all for an unbeatable one-time price. OrangeSuite has all the important services you need. Reliable web hosting for your websites, solid and secure cloud hosting for your important files and documents, and lightning-fast video hosting, all in one service with no monthly payments. That's right, there's only a single low payment. And you may think that's the best part, but it's not. You can even make money with your OrangeSuite account with the included commercial license. And right now, you can get everything for a surprisingly low one-time cost. So this is the perfect time to grab a copy. Plus, you are getting our special trainings and softwares as bonuses. Don't miss the opportunity, you may never get another chance. Grab this opportunity. You are protected with 100% no risk, no fuss, money-back guarantee. Get your special deal on OrangeSuite today in complete confidence because the risk is all on us. We offer a no-hassle, no questions 90-day guarantee. It's a very low price and it's a one-time payment. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at OrangeSuite, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next review video.